My name is Beverly George Utari. The Minister of Finance of the chicken farms had a meeting with the government to bring down the price of chicken in the country. Chicken Linking, the Vice President of Nigeria Chicken Farms, partnered with Beverly's Farm Store for a fair reduction in price. For the second week in December, chicken would be sold at 15,000 and below. Contact Beverly's Farm Store for your amazing deals. Thank you. You can contact Beverly's Farm Store at 0701 749 4000 or visit her Facebook page on Beverly's Farm Store and YouTube Beverly's Farm Store, Instagram Beverly's Farm Store. Thank you very much.